Well, hello everyone. Good afternoon, evening, um, lunchtime, dinner time, whatever time it is in your area. Time for an episode in my area. It's lunchtime, so it's time now for an episode of Lunch with Big Matt. And what's on the menu today is a Domino's pizza, a medium hand tossed pepperoni pizza with extra sauce and extra cheese. I've already done a Domino's thin crust pepperoni. You should go check out that review. Quite interesting. I've already done a review on the barbecue chicken wings, one of my favorite things. You can go check out that review as well. I'll post both those links in the description. But let's get right to it. Go ahead and cue the music. Cue the intro. Alrighty, and Lunch with Big Matt. I'm going to do a little review and have a little talk here. So I got a 12-inch hand-tossed pizza through the app. Normal price with extra sauce and extra cheese and pepperoni, $14.99. I had some points, so I got it for free. I donated $2 for St. Jude, that's no big deal. I got a 20-ounce bottle of Coke, which is ridiculous at $2.99. They keep going up and up and up and up on that. And so, altogether, I only paid $6.91 with tax, minus $13.49 for the pizza. And so, here we go. Domino's emergency pizza. That works for me. And here we go here. All that sauce in there, the cheese, the pepperoni. I'm gonna go ahead and dive in. 20-ounce bottle of Coke. It's not quite cold. I think they might have maybe just put it in the fridge. It's decent. Let's go ahead and dive right into this little pizza here. He offered me some napkins and some paper plates. I just took some napkins here. They gave me a boatload of napkins. I could always use some extra napkins, because I'm a little messy eater, especially when it comes to sauce. Alright, oh yeah. It was hot and ready as soon as I got there, because it had just come out the oven. All that sauce, perfectly cooked baked dough, cheese, perfectly brown on the bottom. Alright, here we go. Now they give you options to go with the garlic crust seasoning. I opted not to go with that because it's a little too spicy for me, and because I got it the other day and I forgot to say no garlic seasoning on the sauce, and so this one it was it had a little bit of a kick. So here we go. Yeah, that's definitely what it was. Garlic seasoning on the crust the other day had a nice kick to it. This is perfect. Hot cheese oozing out. Um, got the little sauce in there. It doesn't look it, on the camera, on this slice, but it is extra sauce. They put a lot of sauce on it. That's the way I like it. Sometimes they put a little too much of the sauce, but hey, that's okay. So let's go ahead and give this a rating. But first, if you're new around here and haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe and like button. You'll be notified of new videos. Sometimes I'll have some premieres. I may not be around for the premieres though, but it's good to have the premieres. I do some short videos, just introducing on what's gonna come up next. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button and ring the bell if you want to get notified for new videos. Coke, I'm gonna give it a 95. It was cold, but it wasn't cold the way I like it. But it was fresh. And the pizza itself, very hot, It was ready as soon as I got there. Not spicy, not too mild, not too bland, but it's really just right. So for the pizza itself, I'm going to give it a solid 97. 97 out of 100. So we're going to make for everything. The Coke was at 95, I said. 97 for the pizza. This will be a solid 97 altogether. The guy at the drive up was really nice. He handed my order. He must have knew. I must have been the only carry out order, so he grabbed it off the shelf and handed it right to me, which is good. I like that. That's a good customer service. So yeah, quality. Let's go ahead and what I'm going to say, what I want to do. I want to go over how I changed up my reviewing process. It used to be 1 to 5. Then I went ahead and changed it from 1 to 100. So what I do, the way I measure it right now, 1 to 25. You 25 points for quality. 25 points for freshness. 25 points for taste. And 25 points for customer service. Actually, I don't even need to do customer service because that's not. It's part of it, but it's not a total deciding factor. The customer service. So you got the quality, the freshness, the taste, and the friendliness. So yeah, that's how I do my reviews now. Not so much as mostly it's just the quality, the freshness, and the taste is what I'm looking at right now. So that's the review process now. When I first started doing these reviews, I started when I was in the hospital because I was born with a congenital heart defect. Had to have some valves replaced, and got to get those done periodically. So I was in the hospital with that, and being forced to eat what they gave me to eat was some food that I had to eat. So I said, well, let me try my hand on that. So I've been watching some reviewers, YouTube reviewers. I said, my favorite one was James Drops. You've probably seen him on Rachel Ray on Food Network, some commercials. It's got a big old gray beard. Some of his reviews are good. Some of them I agree with, some of them I don't agree with. There's another one, Review Bra, or he calls himself the Report of the Week. Wears a suit when he does his review. Some of his I agree with, and some of his I don't. But that's when I decided, well, let me do some of the fast food restaurants. And so from there, I just started picking the ones that I like. I did some cooking ones, really easy cooking meals for people. I started this channel off, and I called it Cooking for People Who Can't Cook. It was easy, scrambled egg breakfast, hash browns, and stuff like that. Then I got into the food reviews, and I changed the channel name. And from there, it just went off. It got good, and so yeah, that's how it all started. Then I started having some issues. Lightheadedness, dizziness. Didn't know what was going on with me. I had fallen 3 times and broke my leg once. They were thinking it was seizures, and or something neurological going on. So they sent me to a neurologist specialist. I live in Chattanooga, and they just don't have the specialist over here. So that's knowledgeable enough and that's willing to take the chances and the risks for people with my condition. So they sent me to Atlanta. I got the best doctors in the world taking care of me over there, and so yeah, and they figured it out, because I was being over diuresed. I had crap load of water pills that I was taking, and that was the cause of it. So they reduced that dramatically, and over the course of the year, it was major improvements. Gotten some great reports from all my doctors saying that my health is improving. I'm stable, is what they call it. And so from then on, right now, I'm doing really good as far as my health is concerned. My last CT scan, my last ultrasound a few weeks ago, they detected a small leak on one of my valves that they had replaced, but they said it's normal to have a little bit of a leakage, and it's nothing major, so don't have to worry about it right now until it gets worse. So right now I'm doing great. I'm not totally, 100%, but I'm as best as I can be. Can't ask for more than that. So that's what's going on right now. Thank you all for tuning in. Wanted to go over some stuff with you. Lunch with Big Mac. Domino's Pizza. 97 out of 100. Thanks a lot for putting up with me. You stayed with me. Just go ahead and like, subscribe, and keep on watching. I'll keep making videos as much as fast as I can, or whenever I can. I'm just not gonna try and kill myself doing it. So, all right. Thanks a lot for watching. Y'all have a great day.